Oli, mis amigos, muy buenos días, tardes, o noches, whatever time you're watching this. This is part 2 of our Huaraz trip. Huaraz City is located at 3,052 meters above sea level. Watch part 1 for more acclimatization tips. The lake that we are about to visit is Laguna Paron. It is the largest lake in National Huascaran Park. Currently, access is restricted and 95% of Huaraz agencies are not going. 2 years ago, there was an avalanche that damaged the road, and it is feared that there could be another similar one like the one in 1970, where 25,000 tons of ice from the Huascaran snow licked and buried the city of Yungay and left thousands dead. The theories are that if something similar happens, all the water of Paron would come out and form a flood of mud and rocks and bury the city of Caras. Watch our video entitled Trahedya in Yungay to know more about the deadly avalanche. We started our day at 7:30 a.m. and ate breakfast along the way, and we started to hike up to see the Laguna Paron in a bird's eye view. It took us about 45 minutes to get to the viewpoint. The hike up was a bit challenging for me because it was a really steep uphill, and there were boulders as well, that I was afraid to step on the rock because I might move and I will end up injured. Yup, I overthink a lot. In this hike, me and my husband stopped and rested a lot. Although it was just a 45-minute hike, as we were nearing the viewpoint, we met a couple as well, and they asked us if we felt dizzy and throwing up. And they shared that they just arrived to Huaraz and their first tour was Laguna Paron. As Laguna Paron is situated at 4,200 meters above sea level, it is quite high, and we strongly recommend to them to acclimate first. Well, in the end, they also reached the viewpoint as well.
Damas y caballeros, Laguna Paron.
Returning down was rather fast. It took us 25 minutes. Here we can appreciate Laguna Paron up close and personal. This was the second turquoise-colored lake in our visit in Huaraz, and it definitely did not disappoint. Kayak and boat ride were also available, but we didn't have time to ride one. Join me and walk a bit to have a close encounter with Laguna Paron.
In some seconds, right, babe? How's the experience so far, babe? How do you feel?
I like it so much. I like it. But honestly, the high altitude did not affect me anymore thanks to my husband. He is training me so well, and thank God most of all.
Are you ready to show? I haven't been displayed the Paron until you attend the game.
3, 2, 1. Look at that!
Yeah.
Blue, green, turquoise, everything. So nice. Right?
So pretty.
Thank God.
Thank you everyone for watching. Please hit like and subscribe button. Watch out for part 3 of our Huaraz trip. We will hike Laguna 69 and learn why the lake was named Laguna 69 and more. Muchas bendiciones a todos. No te olvides, ten siempre fe, esperanza y amor. Nos vemos pronto.